S 100 WPM without full stop. Start. Sir, in this list of various causes that led to the crisis which the textile industry was facing, only the fourth had anything to do with the September policy. The other three had nothing to do with the policy of the government but had everything to do with the efficiency of the management of the textile industry as such and their desire to get larger profits even at the risk of inviting consumers' resistance and thereby leading to the accumulation of stocks with the industry. Because the committee has concentrated its attention mainly on the policy of the government of September 2006, they have not been able to diagnose more fully the reasons that are reasonable for the accumulation of stocks, and still more important, they have not been able to give any recommendation regarding how the accumulated stocks can be disposed of. Sir, in this report and the various recommendations of the committee, there is hardly any mention of this problem, namely the problem of disposal of the stocks which have accumulated with the textile industry. Another reason also has been given regarding the accumulation of stocks with the mills. According to the committee, the accumulation with the mills is largely due to what they call the drying up of the trade channels because the offtake from the mills has dwindled and the accumulation with the industry of stocks has increased. At one point, they make a rather stop over.